write on the search bar packet Cisco packet tracer, this one. I already opened it here. Then as you have seen here, I put some network devices. This is a server, this one is a switch, and this one is a router. So you can get those devices from here in the left bottom corner here. Router, switch, and server here from the end device. Then connect all of them with automatic console cable here, automatic connection cable, I mean. Now let us go and configure IP address for all of them. I want to give IP first for the router. Double click on the router, then go to command line interface and press enter. This as you see here, this is prompt is for user execution mode. In Cisco devices, there are 4 configuration mode. From those, this one is the first one, user execution mode. Then enable. After you write some word, when you click, when you press the tab key, you can complete. Then enable, enter. Now the prompt is changed to from greater than sign to hash. This one is indicate. Now we are in the privilege mode, privilege execution mode. So config terminal, enter. As you have seen, the prompt is changed to router. Inside press config, then hash. This indicate we are now in the global configuration mode. So we can assign IP address for the interface in this mode. And let us see the interface. Oh. Interface. Giga Ethernet 0/0. Enter. Now we are in the interface configuration mode. Config if, then give IP address. IP address 192.168.1 mask 0. Okay. Now we have enabled the interface by writing no shutdown. As you have seen here, the interface is changed from red to green. Okay. Now exiting out. You can close here at all. And let us come back to this one. VLAN. Do the same thing to configure IP. Command line interface. We are already in command line interface. Press enter. Enable. Config. Here we are going to assign IP address for VLAN 1. So interface VLAN 1 line IP address 192.168.1.12 subnet mask. Just come and do the same thing for the server. One, two, okay. Okay, now let us go and check uh, connectivity between those devices. It is successful. They can communicate each other from server to, from switch to server. It's failed most of the time. When it is the first time, it's a probability to fail. So do it again. It is successful. So they can communicate both devices now. Let's go and configure some configuration. Now I want to create a user in switch here. Here. Exit from interface mode. Now I am in global configuration mode. So you can ask by question mark here. I can create a user. Yes, username here. Now admin password. Okay, already create one user. I need to add another user. When you press up arrow, you can get access the previous command. I only change the username. Okay. And let us go to secure console line. And to do so, write line console 0. Now let us see, right? login local. Okay. Now let us enable the password for the privilege or for enable mode. Enable password, give password for privilege mode. Okay. The next one is let us encrypt all the password. As you have seen here, the password is readable now. If you run show running config, the password is readable. So let us convert that one by using encryption. So to do so, write or go to and insert the command service password encryption. Enter. Okay. Now let us go and disable the DNS server. So to do that, run no IP domain no IP domain no IP domain lookup. So let us go and run, show all the commands that we configure in the switch. To do that, show running config. Okay, as you have seen here, the host name is switch. We can change the switch name by using host name. It's encrypted as you have seen here. Without entering this password, we cannot get access for the privilege mode. The other one, we disable NS lookup. As you see here, it's now IP domain lookup. We create two users, admin and technician. The password is encrypted here. Okay. Press enter. Enter. Now press Ctrl plus C. Okay. Now our all configuration setting is on the running config. Here, as you see, we run show running config. Running config configuration is stored in RAM. So the RAM is volatile memory, something power problem or else happen, our configuration will be lost. So let us insert command to save all configuration from RAM. That means from running config to startup config. The startup setting, the startup config is saved in NVRAM. That means non-volatile RAM. So that is non-volatile. Something failure happen, we can restore your configuration from NVRAM. So to do that, copy running config to startup config. Now it asks file name, destination file name as startup config, the file name. Then it's already copy. So to make sure or to verify the file is successfully copied to startup config, you can show startup config. Yes, our configuration is copied here. Our user, domain setting, password, encryption. So it's successfully copied. Okay, now let us copy our configuration file to uh, this server. TFTP server means Trivial File Transfer Protocol server. So to do that, let us run command copy running config to Trivial File Transfer Protocol. Address for the server 192.168.1 sorry, enter. Destination file name switch config, this one. Or if you want, you can keep. Let me give the name to switch one. Backup. So let us go and check our configuration is copied to the file server. So double click on the server and go to service here. Then check our file name here. Yes, this one. This one backup. So we successfully uh, take backup from switch running config to our server. So something disaster or any other issue happen, we can get our switch configuration file from the trivial file transfer protocol server. We are going to copy the flash. That means the operating system. Flash, copy flash to trivial file transfer protocol to the server. Then file name. Yes. Now it's copy. Then to make sure, let us go and open this one, and we will find 29 is 60 lamp is 9. This one file in service. TFTP. Yes, this is our iOS or operating system switch. So maybe the operating system is corrupted. We can go and get uh, the backup from the server. Good. And upgrade mm, the iOS of the switch. Let us go and show the flash first. So flash. This is currently running operating system on the switch 2960. Keep in your mind. Then let us go and copy uh, this much. We have this much free space on the switch. So let us go to and upgrade our operating system from the server. So to do that, copy TFTP to flash. Then address 192.168.1.3. Then source file name. Our source file name. Paste. You can copy the file name from this server here. From here, this one you can copy this one. Enter. Destination is this one. Destination file name. Do you want to overwrite? Then you can write yes. Now let us check by running by show. So flash. Let us put or let us load the new iOS that we upgraded or that we loaded from the server. This one. So to do that, let us enter to the global configuration mode. Config read, then run boot system slash boot system slash boot system slash and paste the file name of the iOS. Exit and reload the device. Now it asks username and password because we already configured username and password on the switch. Then username is admin, password. Now I can get access even when we enter to privilege mode. It asks password now. Yes. Oh. This is all. Thank you for watching. Please go subscribe, like and comment my channel. See you to next time. Bye bye.